How to upload and record 10 minutes videos on TikTok. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application TikTok and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you are in here, tap on this plus icon at the bottom. Now swipe right and set the timer to 10 minutes. Once you are in here, you can start recording by clicking on this red button. Once you are done recording to 10 minutes, click on this tick icon. Now you can simply tap on next and then post the video. Well, if you want to upload it from your gallery, then you can simply go back and then click on upload at bottom right corner. It will open up your gallery. Select the 10 minutes video that you want to upload. Once you have selected, the option of describe your video will be available. You can simply click on it and add some description to it. You can also edit the video with all of those features right here. Once you are done, tap on next at the bottom right corner. Add the caption or hashtags to it. And once you are ready to post, simply tap on post and the video will be uploaded successfully and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can upload or record the 10 minutes videos on TikTok. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.